Gikiro kia ugwatania wa murimu wa Covid-19 na namba ya arwaru wa murimu uyu iguthie na mbere na kuongerereka kumana na muthemba mweru wa Covid-19 wa subvariant ya Omicron. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry ni ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Rashidaman augite moruruma muthemba uyu mweru matire marakurikana ona gutwika kuri na uhoteteku muthemba uyu mweru wehiriria waya gukorwo ukihutia ginyagia mahuri ugwo hari fata mu Kenya gwikiraga mask hindi ciothe na aria matathecetwo njanjo makorwo makimiamukira.
Indicate that there may be some changes occurring even in this Omicron subtype. That actually could make things difficult in the sense that the data seem to show that the changes that are happening might give this virus better chances of infecting lungs. And this is something that we are keeping a close watch on. And that is why it's important for Kenyans to take that personal responsibility, at least wear the mask.
Umuthi andu 559 ni monyitikanite na murimu wa Covid-19 na gukinyaniria ithaburi arwaru ari andu 331 na 37 aria marwarite guku bururi-ini. Gikiro kia ugwatania ikirugamira gicunji gia 15.4 hari igana. Arwaru 213 makihona, namba ya aria othe mahonete ari arwaru 321 na 49. Arwaru 89 nio mararigitirwo micini gukonao arwaru 3,803 makirigitirwo micini. Gwoka ni uheani wa njanjo bururi hotete gukorwo thecanite njanjo milioni 18.6 hari namba ino andu milioni 16 ari andu agima na andu 428,328 makiamukira njanjo ya booster.
70% of the adult population, that is those over 18 years old, and that is where we are putting our greatest effort and to make sure that at least a large proportion of our adult population is vaccinated.
Ciana milioni 1.4 cia ukuru wa miaka 15 nginya 17 nio mamukirite njanjo guku na cio ciana 41,151 cia ukuru wa miaka 12 nginya 15 nicio ciamukirite njanjo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV rituroko ni Wanjiru wa Forum.